So I'm all set and ready to go for my first day alone in Spain. I am honestly quite nervous. I've been the entire time just being in a new country. It's my first time ever riding abroad, and just, you know, figuring things out, just how to get gas, where to get food, how's the traffic. But I'm just very, I want to do things that I think is scary. I mean, I want to, if I'm going to do something, I want to do it even though I think it's scary. I don't want to let the scary part stop me, because there's a million people that's done this before me, and I hope you can hear me because it's really freaking windy today. Anyway, it's a late start. It's 3 o'clock right now. And yeah, today will be a short day. I have about 67 kilometers, I think, until I have booked a reservation for where I will sleep tonight. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure things out, I guess. Alright, let's go then. Stopping for a quick sip of water. It is 27 degrees outside. It's pretty dang warm. And the GPS on the bike keeps taking me on very strange roads, or trying to take me on very strange roads that I'm not really allowed to be on. So that's kind of interesting. But I'm not far away from my destination. I have booked pretty cool camping tonight, actually. I'm excited to show you that. I'll try to find somewhere to buy a little bit of food, water, that kind of stuff first. And yeah, it's just been a very not busy day at all, but just busy in my head, I guess. Just getting used to the idea of driving alone down here, and it's all new and always a little bit scary, like I've said before, but it just takes a little bit of time before I can enjoy it as well, because I just need to breathe out, let my shoulders down, enjoy this. It's always the same. The first day of my trips, I'm usually a little bit uptight, to put it that way, but it's all about experience, getting experience, and so far, so good. close to where I think the camping is supposed to be. And so far, the view is amazing. It is pretty steep, I don't know if you can see it. Look at this view. Wow. I think it's here. Are you the owner?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Nick.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Runa.
Hi, Runa. Okay, yes, and I've got a reservation for you.
Yeah,
You
perfect.
got your motorcycle?
Yeah, I parked right next to your car.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yes, I know, I've got your message.
Yeah, thank you. I got myself cutest little place to stay tonight. Let me show you guys. Here's the bike. Still good looking, in my opinion. Here's the little place. So cute. Let me show you guys the best part. This is where I'm staying. How cool is this? There's 2 beds in here.